Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to rename a video on iPhone. Let's go. Renaming a video can help you keep your media library organized and make it easier to find specific videos. First of all, open up the Photos app on your iPhone. Then find and tap on the video that you want to rename. After that, tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then bring this up. What you want to do next is tap where it says Save to Files. Now you have the ability to rename the video. To do that, tap over here and enter the new video name. Browse and select where you want to save this video. All you have to do next is tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can open up the Files app and find the renamed video. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.